Hello, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this mini Clubman 2.0 Cooper S Sport Steptronic, finished in striking red color with black contrast roof and powered by 2-liter petrol engine producing 178 PS. This stylish estate pairs seamlessly with automatic Steptronic transmission, offering a blend of practicality and Mini's signature handling. The Mini stands out with its aggressive front-end styling, featuring signature honeycomb radiator grille with chrome surround and the LED headlights, which ensure excellent visibility and distinctive look. The Mini Cooper sits on upgraded 19-inch John Cooper Works alloy wheels, contributing to even more dynamic presence on the road. At the back, the Union Jack LED taillights celebrate Mini's British heritage in a striking design. The split rear doors make loading and unloading a breeze. With a generous boot space, the Clubman remains a versatile option for everyday life. The dual loading system ensures added practicality, allowing for longer items to be transported with ease. Inside, the Clubman continues to impress with cross-punch carbon black leather seats, delivering premium touch and exceptional comfort. The rear seats offer ample headroom and legroom, complemented by Aspix and anchor points for child seats. The driver's seat provides commanding and sporty position with manual height adjustment to tailor your comfort. Additionally, the panoramic sunroof brings in more natural light, creating airier and more premium cabin atmosphere. The Napa leather John Cooper Works multifunction steering wheel with contrast stitching and integrated controls adds to the immersive driving experience, and the digital dashboard display provides clear and customizable driving data. This mini Clubman is fitted with dual-zone air conditioning, keeping both driver and passenger at their ideal temperature, and the infotainment system comes with FM tuner and the digital radio, delivering crisp, high-quality audio, as well as a navigation system ensuring seamless journeys with real-time traffic updates. On top of that, you will have My Mini, where you can set your parking settings, allowing customizable parking assistance features. And in My Mini, you can also access minimalism mode, optimizing driving efficiency for improved fuel economy. My Connected services offer remote access to digital functionalities, and you will also benefit from Bluetooth communication, ensuring hands-free connectivity for calls and media. Last but not least, you will also benefit from parking camera and sensors, providing added convenience when maneuvering in tight spaces. This has been a presentation of the Mini Clubman 2.0 Cooper S Sport Steptronic. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.